welcome back to Live Daily. Today I am going to be trying out some pool makeup. I'm not really sure yet what products I'm going to be using. That is to be determined later in this video, I guess. But basically I am just going to put on some makeup that I think would be ideal for hot weather, sweat, and you know, maybe being waterproof or whatnot. And I'm gonna go get in the pool, and when I come back in I'm going to show you guys what kind of held up and what didn't. I'm gonna moisturize my face really quick because I just washed it not too long ago and it needs to be hydrated before I apply foundation. I'm gonna use my Becca Skin Love Glow Shield. If you guys watched my other video, then you know I didn't recommend this as a primer. However, it's really hydrating, so I will use it as a moisturizer. Next, I'm going to take my Honey Do Me Up by NYX, and I'm just going to apply that to my face. Okay, so for my foundation, I had a really hard time deciding on which one of these to use, but ideally, I think I'm going to try my Smashbox Studio Skin. Some say that it's sweat resistant, so maybe that'll help a little bit in the pool. Okay, so I'm going to need to apply some concealer next, and kind of try to contour my face just a little. And my choice today is going to be Jeffree Star's Magic Star Concealer. This is the shade C9. So now I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and kind of dab this in. Okay, so next I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm going to like bronze my face a little. Okay, so next I'm going to take my Magic Star setting powder, and I'm actually going to place it underneath my eyes and on my forehead a little. Next I'm going to go back into my cream contour kit, and I'm going to use this little pink shade as my blush. Okay y'all, so next I am going to take my Liquid Frost in the color Canary Bling, and I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones. Alright, I'm also going to apply that to my nose and a little on my forehead. Alright, now I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, and I'm just going to wing the top of my lids. This particular product actually claims to be waterproof, so this will be a good test. Next I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to apply it. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows just a little bit with my Cabral by Benefit. Alright, and lastly I'm just going to apply this lipstick called Yours Truly by Becca. Alright, so that's it for our makeup. Let's go ahead and get dressed and head to the pool. Okay, y'all, we definitely can't forget to set our makeup. So I'm going to take my Becca Skin Love Glow Shield Prime and Set Mist, and I'm just going to set this really quick. Alright, girl, how do we look? I think pretty good.
Okay, y'all, so I've switched over to my phone, and it's hot out here. So I'm gonna try to get in because I am sweating. Okay guys, so we're in, and it's time to go under and see how we come out. So let's see. I don't see anything running so far. Let's see how it goes. Okay, y'all, so I am getting out of the pool now. Makeup isn't looking too hot, but let's go back inside and see how we look.
Okay, so I guess we could start from the beginning. Clearly we don't know if our primer is the reason that any of this held up, so we can't really judge that much. But we can go ahead and move on to the foundation. It doesn't really seem like it did too bad. I still feel like it's applied pretty well. Of course, a little bit does look just washed away, but it's not completely destroyed. Next, we can go to our concealer, our Magic Star concealer. I think it's safe to say that our concealer is non-existent right now. It's still here on the lower half of our face actually, which is pretty surprising, given that this part was the part that was in the pool the most, so maybe the top half is just from sweat and the sun beating down on it. I have no idea. The thing that held up the best to me seems to be the Cream Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. The contour hasn't moved one bit, and it looks fabulous. Our blush is still in place, and there are no complaints there. Arca Brow is obviously still in place. Benefit really did a good job with this stuff, so if you're looking for a waterproof brow product, Ka-Brow is definitely the one for you. Shocker though, our product that claimed to be waterproof, which was Too Faced Better Than Sex, it's looking a little rough. It's so faded, and it looks like I just kind of like wiped my face. I'm a little disappointed in that, so for them to claim to be waterproof, you're not really showing here, Too Faced. I see that my liquid frost started to disappear a little bit on the tip of my nose, but it is still in place on my cheeks just a little bit. It's very subtle, but the hint of it is still there, and you can still definitely see it. Our lipstick stayed in place, so there's no problems there. As far as the mascara goes, not really seeing it. But that's okay, guys. This clearly was not a successful trip to the pool. This was definitely a makeup fail, but I had fun with it. I hope you did. So please tune back in later for fresh new content, and thanks for watching Live Daily today. Bye!